Hello, my name is Sridhar. I am the director of City Homes. I'm here to give you the presentation of our Rarity project, which is located in Attibele. I will run through this presentation for about 15 minutes time. Hopefully that you will get some idea about where this project is located, what are its benefits by investing in our property. So name is City Homes. We are a Tamil Nadu-based organization with about 15 branches, and we have completed 335 projects in just about 9 years' time, with a 6,000 crore turnover organization and 12,000 manpower force. And now I'm going to talk about the project which is there in Attibele. This is called Rarity. We have named it as Rarity because it is very unique and it has got wonderful facilities around. And Attibele is one of the popular localities in Bangalore because there are already about 12 apartment projects, 10 villa projects, and 12 plot projects are going on there. Right in front of our project, there's a huge apartment which has come up. Close to around 500 families are living there. That's the kind of place, and this is the address of the project. We are in Tattanahalli, Karnataka 562107. It is Attibele Anekal Road. This is the location map, and then this project is approved by BMRDA. And then this is the location map that we have. Layout is developed in about 14 acres land in Attibele Anekal main road. And the best part is the satellite town ring road, which is coming right in front of our project. That's about 300 feet. STRR satellite town ring road, which is of 90 meters wide and connecting all the satellite townships, which is developed by BMRDA all around the Bangalore, and it is about 140 kilometers of length. There are quite a few good schools around Attibele. Some of them I'll name them. St. Joseph's School is around there, Bethel Matriculation School, St. Philomena's, and then Kokino International Karate Schools. These are some highlights of this location. They are all within a distance of about 5 to 7 kilometers from our project. Some of the neighborhoods are, we have this Janani Hospital, then Oxford Medical College, BMS Multi-Speciality Hospital, Sarathi Clinic, Shanti Hospital. They're all there around this place. Some good companies are there, Schneider Electric India Private Limited. Some good malls are there. This neighborhood is therefore recommended for any project which has all the amenities inside the campus. So the kind of types of plots that we have is about 30-40, 30-50, and 40-60. Amenities that we have planned for is children play area, security, water storage, party hall, gardens, lush green environment, multi-purpose room. The sale price trends, around in this Attibele area has been from 2013. I'm quoting this price. I've done a research in the Google. And October to December 2013, and then April to June, July to September, and October to December. This is the last trend that we have seen. In this, the average price per square feet of. So the average price of an apartment in Attibele is about 2,919. Villas cost about 3,038 per square feet. And plots are costing around 1,752. This is the average price for the last 4 years. I've not taken 15 and 16. I've not been able to get the trend, but nevertheless, the current going price there is about 2,000 plus. This much we are aware because we have seen some of the projects there, and that's the kind of pricing that is going on in that location. The bank loans that are available are, from LIC of India, State Bank, Punjab National Bank, Canfin Homes, DHFL, India Post. The fact that State Bank of India has approved this project indicates that it is legally perfectly all right. And however, they normally take about 3-4 months to process the loan because they have their own process of doing it. But LIC of India, we recommend because they are quick in sanctioning the loans. And since it is an approved project, getting loan processed will not take too much of time. Why we should buy from us is because we have got a good credibility of being in the industry for over 9 years. And you have already seen the video, which has given you an indication of how much we have sold. We have sold close to around 2 lakh plots. That means approximately around 2 lakh satisfied customers are there. We always select only approved plots, and we don't sell any unapproved plots. This will get you good appreciation. Our plots are generally available for loans. Loans are available. All approved projects are financed by LIC Housing Finance. We give you excellent after-sales service. All loan documents will be picked up from your doorstep, and many other surprises you can witness when you come across closely to us. The price of our project is about rupees 1,590, which is fairly a good price that we have arrived at, considering the fact that it is on the main road, and there are some plots which are available inside the roads and all that, where it is not on the main road. Yet they are charging close to around 2,000 rupees, 1990, and so on and so forth. But we are charging about 1,590. Thank you so much for patiently listening to my presentation. I hope that you will enjoy visiting our site, and we will be very, very happy to give you excellent service. Please visit us as early as possible.